there. Hello, good evening ladies. Carla Spa in Sono now, yeah? Wow. Sale price 125 on the denim shorts here. Nice little seating area here outside. Very unique, nice shoe designs there. So there's the name up above, Taquisa Mexican food. Some more packages available here at Jatti Aram. The spa we have Titazan Archipelago art. Some customers in there also. Some unique things in here. And here's the main entrance to inaugurate. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's 7 PM, I'm here in Sono, and what I'm going to feature in this evening's video for you is a night walking tour along the street of Jalan Danu Tamblingan. So in my previous video, I took a walking tour along the street of Jalan Danu Tamblingan from Artisan Dana supermarket all the way through to the Maya Resort. In tonight's video, I'm going to be picking up from the Maya Resort and continuing along Jalan Danu Tamblingan to the Andaz hotel / Naga 8 restaurant. So in this section of street featured in tonight's video, you're going to see a nice collection of hotel accommodation options, going to be a few restaurant warung style places, some tourist goods shopping shops. I'm just going to give you a general idea what you can expect from this section of street here in Sono. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll along the street of Jalan Danu Tamblingan here in Sono. Okay, so just in the back there, that's the Maya Sanur. This is where I finished my last video. We have Izakaya restaurant attached to the Maya there in the bright red lights. Just across the street we have a Gustri homestay. We have a place called Frock, Lavina Spa, Warungbu Levy, some tourist goods shops. We'll take you across the street and pick up the name here, a Gustri homestay. You can see it in lights above. There's also a shop called Pomelo just next door to a Gustri homestay. Here we have a place called Frock. It's like a ladies' boutique style clothing shop. It's closed, I don't know why it's closed. It says to 7 PM, we're just 7 PM. Just next door we have Lavina Spa. There's the treatments available here. There's all the contact details and social media. Venus Spa's just in the back there. How are you, brother? Just continuing on along the line, we have a place called Warungbu Levy and laundry service. Just a simple little shop in the back here. Hello, how are you? Here we have another tourist goods shop. Also a laundry service, Dewey laundry service. Some bags, singlets, ladies' clothing. Some hats, shorts, many things inside there. So some bags here. Just next door we have a place called Celtic, I think this is called. It's got a clearance sale, 50% off. Sale price 125 on the denim shorts here. Some more here. 50% off everything. It's like a shop that sells everything inside there. Continue walking along the line now. So we'll just cut across the street first of all. A place called Bayo Cafe and Kitchen here. Lady Got Soul. Bayo Cafe and Kitchen. Nice little seating area here outside. Sono. And there's the inside seating area here at Sono. So there's a collection of shops and things here. Have a place called Upper Mess in the back here. This is like a nice clothing shop. Just continuing on here, this is a place called Barley. Some nice colourful ladies' dresses and things there. Oh la la. Another shop in the back there sells some shoes and dresses also. Very unique, nice shoe designs there. That's all at Barley. Okay, so I'm just stood on Jalan Danu Tamblingan now out the front. Here's a view of Barley from the front. You can see you have a nice little collection of shops all the way there. Your clothing shop, your cafe in the corner. And then just here now we have Penidia View Beach Hotel. I've featured this hotel in a video if you want to check the video. Some very unique style rooms there. There's the roadway it leads down to Penidia View. And now we're going to cut back on the other side of the street. So we have a collection of tourist goods shops there. Titizan Archipelago Art. We'll come back to that in a moment. We'll just go down to the first one that we missed, which is a place called Mexican food. Put across the street now to Taquisa. So there's the name up above, Taquisa Mexican food. Two customers just waiting to go inside there now. Tacos, burritos and bowls. And a customer going inside, we just take you to the window and just view inside. There's the inside of the restaurant. There's a little bit about what's on offer here. Now we just continue walking along the street. So just next door we have a little tourist goods shop selling ladies' clothing and things here. Some nice ladies' dresses, ladies' tops also. Many more through in the back there. Hello! Just next door we have a place called Jatti Wellness and Spa. Massage treatments available here at Jatti. It's just in the back there. Some more packages available here at Jatti. Kids relaxing massage also. Kids footstep, kids joy facial. Some kids packages there. So just from Jatti there, Jatti there, the spa, we have Titizan Archipelago Art. It's like a very unique shop this. These are made from stone. Some nice little wood carving things. This looks like a shop full of many things inside. Some customers in there also. We have a place called Sasari Gifts and Souvenirs just next door. Some unique things in here. Lots more inside also. Just next door we have Wung Jatti, which is connected to Hotel Jatti and Homestay. So it's just a little convenience store, that one. And And then just here is Hotel Jatti and Homestay. Also has its own little warung at the front. Name Hotel Jatti and Homestay. I've featured this place in a video. Also has a local little warung there at the front here, Hotel Jatti. Hotel Jatti is located in the back down there. Some of the things on the menu at the warung. So we're just continuing on, have more tourist goods shops here. This one's got a collection of coasters, placemats, dream catchers, many things inside there. This lady also has some handbags. Hello, how are you? Lots of handbags, different styles. Thank you so much. Just continuing on, we have a place called Any Shop, fixed price. Some tourist goods items in there. Hello madam, how are you? We have Any's Homestay here. It's just down the side there. There's the other side of the street. You can see there's nothing really on that side of the street. This is a place called Paradise Cafe, which is connected with the Paradise Gym.
Okay, maybe after this I go there.
There's the inside of the Paradise Cafe. Happy hour on the food.
I just want to say too much light.
Too much light.
Look to check if there's space for us in Barbarossa.
There's like many nice smoothie bowls and things available also here. It's all there at Paradise Cafe. It's connected with the gym, Paradise Cafe. We'll just go and take you across the street and turn around. So there's the Paradise Barley. The gym is upstairs. Just from Paradise Barley we have a brand new mini mart, which is a convenience store here. So we've got a seating area at the front there. Have a place called Kokoya, a Japanese restaurant. We'll just cut across the street to Kokoya. So there's the name up above. There's a seating area outside here, also a seating area inside. Just next door we have a Paddy Mandiri money changer. This is an authorised money changer. It's safe changing your money here. Here's the rates on the board today. So just from our Paddy Mandiri money changer, just next door we have a place called 198 Tattoo Studio. Have a little local warung next door to that, tourist information booking place there. So there's the name of the tattoo. It's just in the back there, the tattoo studio. A local little warung here, there's no name on this place. This looks like a little simple warung. Have a place here for booking your tours and tourist information and things. Or your boat tickets and things also available. We have Sunshine one-stop service here, internet. These can also do printing and photocopying if you need. There's a name up above. It's just in the back there. And then just next door, Sono now has its very own Carla Spa. Probably the most famous spa in Bali has now arrived here in Sono. It's just in the back there. Hello, good evening ladies. Carla Spa in Sono now, yeah? Wow! There's some of the treatments and things available here at Carla Spa. there's some of the treatments and the prices and things also. That's all there at Carla Spa. Okay, so just from Carla Spa, there's a side street down here that features a few accommodation options. We have the Klumpu Barley Resort. We have Puri Kasari guest house homestay. I featured that in the video. Also Alicia Villas is down this street here. So this is the street of Jalan Kasari, and they're all located down there. Okay, so just from Carla Spa now, I'm going to head in this direction, walking along the street, but I'm going to shut off the camera until I get to a place called Naga 8. Okay, so just up the street, on the same side of the street as Carla Spa, less than 100 metres. Directly across the street there, we have the main entrance to the Andaz Barley. I'm just going to take you across the street and pick up the name, just so you know. There we are, the Andaz Barley. So here's the main entrance to the Andaz. And then now just from the Andaz, we're going to turn our attention right across the street to a place called Naga 8. Just have to cut across from the traffic now. So there's the name, Naga 8 Restaurant, Chinese restaurant, bar and lounge and event space. It's very dark. Very impressive lanterns all around. And here's the main entrance to Naga 8. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll along the street of Jalan Danu Tamblingan here in Sono, so from the Maya Resort through to the Andaz / Naga 8 restaurant. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got a few accommodation option choices in this area, some restaurants, warungs, some tourist goods shopping areas also. So all in all, it's just a continuation of what we saw in central Sono, continuing walking along the street of Jalan Danu Tamblingan. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hope some of you find this video useful, especially if you're staying in this area of Sono, and I shall say bye for now.